What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reseat your memory on your system. As always, make sure that your system is unplugged and we switch the power supply to the off position for safety. All right, first things first, we're going to want to remove this glass panel. Now that we have that out of the way, we're going to want to look for the memory modules. Just pull up these clips, pull them out, and to put them back in, push as hard as you can. Make sure that you hear both clicks. And you're all done. That's how you reseat the memory on your system.